Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of entrepreneurship and business strategies. Today, we're going to explore one of the foundational pillars of any successful venture: writing a business plan. Whether you're launching a startup, seeking investors, or simply clarifying your business objectives, a well-crafted business plan is your roadmap to success. Let's get started. The first step in writing a business plan is to define your vision and goals. Ask yourself, what problem does your business solve? What are your long-term objectives? Your vision should be clear, concise, and inspiring. Step 2. Know your audience. Understand who will be reading your business plan: investors, partners, or internal stakeholders. Tailor your plan to address their needs and interests, using language they understand. Step 3. Conduct market research. Analyze your industry, target market, and competitors. Identify trends, opportunities, and potential challenges. This data will inform your strategy and help you position your business effectively. Step 4. Develop your products or services. Clearly define what you're offering, highlighting the unique value proposition that sets you apart from competitors. Detail your pricing strategy, distribution channels, and any intellectual property considerations. Step 5. Outline your marketing and sales plan. How will you attract and retain customers? What channels will you use to promote your brand? Consider digital marketing, social media, partnerships, and traditional advertising methods. Step 6. Create a financial projection. This section should include revenue forecasts, expense estimates, cash flow projections, and break-even analysis. Be realistic and conservative in your assumptions, accounting for potential fluctuations in the market. Step 7. Write your executive summary. This is the first section of your business plan and serves as a snapshot of your entire document. Summarize the key points, highlighting the most compelling aspects of your business and why it's poised for success. In conclusion, writing a business plan is a critical step in the journey of entrepreneurship. It's not just a document, it's a strategic tool that guides your decisions, attracts investment, and drives growth. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, with careful planning and relentless execution, you can turn your business dreams into reality. Stay tuned for more insights and tips on building a thriving enterprise. Until next time, happy planning. In the next video, we are going to talk about defining your business vision and goals. If you liked the video, please subscribe and share.